What's the meaning of concrete jungle? Concrete jungle. Concrete jungle.
Concrete jungle. Concrete jungle. Concrete jungle is a metaphorical phrase used to describe urban areas that are heavily developed and dominated by buildings, roads, and other man-made structures. It suggests that these areas lack natural elements such as trees, plants, and open spaces. The phrase often carries negative connotations, implying that the city is cold, harsh, and impersonal. The result is a landscape that is often crowded, noisy, and polluted, which can make it more difficult for people to connect with nature and each other.